My name is Harry Jarvis. I am studying biology, criminology and psychology. I chose to study psychology here because I've always been interested in the human mind, and the range of topics that they cover here was very suitable for my interest. The topic I found most interesting has been the psychopathology. So that was looking at OCD and depression and how those are explained and treated. Been able to apply things learnt in class to everyday situations. So I've been able to explain to people why they've forgotten a certain thing or why they've done a certain action, for example. My experience here has been amazing because the teaching has been impeccable. They are very friendly and approachable to talk to. My future ambitions include going to university and then hopefully pursuing a career in forensic psychology. Within psychology next year, we're going to be studying a whole unit on forensic psychology, which will help me expand my knowledge in the area that I want to partake in. I chose to study psychology because I've always been interested in the human mind, and the range of different topics they offer here at East Sussex College really suited my interests. I chose East Sussex College due to the wide variety of courses that they offer compared to other colleges such as Varndine or Basvik. And the teaching here has been amazing. When I came here on an open evening, the teachers seemed to really know what they were talking about and were very approachable.